And those that whistle me will be more than just sorry. I'll shoot for the grapes. And I'm the top. Just fast, just snatching you up. And sometimes faster than others. But regardless, as the timing is a joke, make it right then, I'm sure. I'm the top. And things like that are the reason why they know they should hide. Strategy, speed, and... Clip 3. I drank 3 glasses of water, and I waited an hour. I feel a lot more power of the chair. I went back because there was so much energy, coming off me, and I feel I'm getting there, so I'm going to do one more, I think, later. Maybe this will prove my point. Oh, yes. I am the top martial artist in America. Pause it and read this carefully. I am not a thong-wearing cage fighter, a sissy, girly wrestler, like a little kid or something. Like a gym class or something. But an actual traditional African martial artist. Fighting for honor. It is April 7th, 2017. I'm still being fumed and drugged. And I drank 3 glasses of water. Try to get this out of me. And it's exactly what you would expect when you've been listening to what I've been saying. And I have 15 witnesses on record, so please don't disgrace yourselves by playing stupid. I'm gonna do one more for you, for good measure. Okay, you see, I did those ones for the distance, but I didn't do it as well. But I just wanted to show you the distance I'm covering when I go out here. See, a little trapping range, like a little Wing Chun fighter, like this range, okay? This is about a Wing Chun fighter's twice his trapping range. So the Wing Chun guys, they gotta do 30 hits in 1.2 seconds with boxing gloves. They can't do that.